Miracle vitamin that halts diabetes and restores kidney health in just 30 days. Diabetes is a chronic disease affecting millions of people worldwide, and kidney health is of great importance for diabetic patients. Diabetes can cause damage to the kidneys by keeping blood sugar levels consistently high. However, recent scientific research has revealed the existence of a miracle vitamin that halts diabetes and restores kidney health in just 30 days. In this article, we will explore how this vitamin works, its effects on diabetes and kidney health, and the scientific evidence supporting this miracle. Introduction to the vitamin. This miracle vitamin possesses powerful antioxidant properties, neutralizing free radicals in the body and preventing cellular damage. Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the body, promoting the health of cells and organs. Additionally, this vitamin helps control blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. With these properties, it is possible to control diabetes and maintain kidney health. 1. Effects on diabetes and kidney health. Blood sugar control. This vitamin increases insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance, helping to balance blood sugar levels. Increased insulin sensitivity allows cells to use glucose more effectively, aiding in the control of blood sugar levels. Improvement of kidney functions. The vitamin reduces inflammation in the kidneys and protects kidney cells from oxidative stress, contributing to the improvement of kidney functions. Reducing inflammation prevents kidney tissue damage and helps the kidneys maintain their normal functions. Antioxidant protection. Due to its antioxidant properties, this vitamin neutralizes free radicals and prevents cellular damage. Neutralizing free radicals reduces oxidative stress in the body and contributes to the health of cells. 2. Scientific research and evidence. Clinical studies. Clinical research has shown that regular use of this vitamin lowers blood sugar levels in diabetic individuals and improves kidney functions. These studies provide significant evidence supporting the efficacy and safety of the vitamin. Animal experiments. Studies on animal models have demonstrated the effectiveness of this vitamin in preventing kidney damage and reversing existing damage. Animal experiments are crucial for understanding the biological effects and potential benefits of the vitamin. Human trials. Trials conducted on humans have confirmed the positive effects of this vitamin on kidney health. Human trials show how effective the vitamin is under real-world conditions. 3. Usage instructions and dosage. Dosage recommendations. The recommended daily dosage to improve diabetes and kidney health generally ranges from 500 to 1000 milligrams. However, the correct dosage may vary depending on your personal health condition and your doctor's recommendations. Natural sources. Foods rich in this vitamin include citrus fruits, red peppers, broccoli, strawberries, and kiwis. Obtaining this vitamin through natural diet ensures you also receive other essential nutrients your body needs. Supplement options. Various supplement forms and brands available on the market make it easy to consume this vitamin. It can be found in tablet, capsule, and powder forms. When choosing supplements, it is important to select reputable brands. 4. Side effects and precautions. Side effects. Possible side effects of high doses include nausea, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. These side effects are generally temporary and can be prevented by reducing the dosage. Interactions. This vitamin may interact with other medications or supplements. If you are taking blood thinners or other antioxidant supplements, it is important to consult your doctor. Conclusion. Diabetes and kidney health are critical health issues that directly affect the quality of life. This miracle vitamin, which halts diabetes and restores kidney health in just 30 days, offers a promising solution to these health challenges. However, it is important to consult your doctor before using any supplements. This will help determine the most appropriate and safe treatment method for your health condition.